Hi there and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a CTEK MXS 5.0 car battery charger, and we're going to be using it on a BMW E46. So the CTEK charger has turned up in the post. Comes in a decent box. On the front there's a picture, on the back it gives you details of what comes in the box and a few other little minor points. So let's get it open. So the CTEK charger, basically this is a trickle charger, and it enables you to fully recharge a car or motorbike battery, and keep it in good working order, whether it's completely lost its charge or whether you just want to maintain it regularly. Right, that's everything out of the box. So you get an instruction manual, you get a carry bag. As well as that, you actually get the charger itself and a lot of wires. The charger itself is small and compact and easy to transport. It has a mains connector wire, also comes with some crocodile clips or eyelet clips to connect that to the battery. These are connected to the actual charger using these comfort connectors. As you can see from this, very easy to connect the two wires together. There are 4 lights at the bottom, which are the 4 charging options. First one with the motorbike is for bike batteries, second one for car batteries, third one is the AGM option, which is for charging AGM batteries like Optima and Odyssey batteries, and the last one is the Recon, which is for reconditioning. That's usually for 15.8 volt batteries, and this will hopefully maximise the lifetime and the capacity of the battery. Let's open up the bonnet and get charging. The battery of an E46 is in the boot, but you should never charge the battery directly. There is a charging point under the bonnet. I've connected the charger to the mains, and the wire itself is long enough to charge, say, in a garage or if you're close to the car, but I need an extension cable here, which does work fine. Attach the crocodile clips to the charger. Find the positive charging point. Remove the cover and then turn on the power first. Then connect the positive crocodile clip to the charging point and the negative to a bit of metal on the frame of the car. Turn the charger on and a green light should show. Choose the option you want. Obviously we're using car battery here. Now the charger in this instance can't or isn't working, and if you look, if there's a steady flashing light, it means that it's not correctly connected. So in this instance I basically have removed the crocodile clips and I'm now reattaching them, so hopefully the charger will connect to the battery. Now as soon as you turn the charger on, as you can see here, 2 of the lights, the program lights, have appeared, which shows that the charger has connected and it will start the charging process now. 1 and 2 lights are lit, and if you keep watching, a 3rd one has now lit up. So this basically means that the first 3 steps of the program have been completed. The first step is the desulfurization. This basically detects sulfate in the battery and restores the battery's capacity. The second step is the soft start, that tests that the battery can accept a charge. Step 3 is bulk. That's basically charging with a maximum current up to 80% of the battery capacity. Step 4 is the absorption, and this is charging with a declining current up to 100% of the battery's capacity. Then it does a little test and it analyzes. That's step 5. Step 6 is recon. Step 7 is just where it maintains the battery voltage up to a maximum level. And step 8 is the pulse, which maintaining the battery between 95 and 100% capacity. The brochure that comes with the charger gives details of how long it takes depending on the size of your battery, and it has lots of other information if you want to go into it in more detail. So we're still charging the battery at present. So it's been charging for 8 hours and we've reached program 7. So this is really all I need it to do today for the battery to be fully charged. To finish using the charger, turn it off at the mains first, then disconnect the crocodile. All in all, I think this is a great purchase. If you've got an old car that sits in your garage, or a car like mine that mainly gets used in the summer, it will keep the battery well charged throughout the winter when it's not really in regular use. Thumbs up from me, and I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell and like. Please feel free to leave a comment, and hope to see you soon.